Hi everyone, welcome again to the Excel learning tutorial. In this video tutorial we will learn that how we can make an invoice or bill for a company or for a shop. Here is an imaginary shop of mobile and gadget store, and this one is the imaginary address of the store, which is Street 203 National Market, Sri Lanka. Now I want to make the invoice. For the invoice, I have the gadget ID starting from 1 to 10. Here you can see in the column gadget names. The gadget names mean the mobile phones. Here I have different kind of phones. The prices that are in US dollars starting from iPhone $999.0 up to LG Wing Mobile, that is also 999, and this is the quantity of mobiles, that is 9 quantity of iPhone 14 and so on up to 14 for LG Wing. Now the discount on each mobile, I want to calculate the discount. So the discount is given to me on each mobile. First of all, I want to convert the column to the percentages, because the discount given to me is in the percentages. So column is converted, all the cells are converted to the percentages. Now as I'm writing here, the numbers all are converting to percentages. Here 11%, 8%, 7% on, and 16% on Nokia mobiles, 18% on Asus mobiles, and 22%, which is the highest discount, on LG Wing. Now you can see the discounted amount. So how much amount has been reduced from my prices? For this task, I will need equal and the prices cell and discount, which is in percentage, multiplying. So the discount that I have given on mobile, that is iPhone, is $119.88. Dragging it down, you can see the discounted amount on each mobile. So the maximum discount is on LG Wing, that is 219.78. The net prices of each mobile, calculating the net price of each mobile. So the net price is the amount of the mobile after this discounted amount. So the actual amount, that is 999 minus 119.88. So that is the net amount of the one mobile, that is iPhone 14 Pro. Dragging it down, you can see all the amounts, net prices have been shown. Now I want to calculate the total amount of each mobiles along with their quantities. For example, here are 90 mobiles and the net price is this one. So calculating, adding this one, so you can see that 7,912.08 will be the price of after the discount. Dragging it down, all the total amounts of each mobile can be seen. Now the total amount, or the total sum of all the mobiles. So here we have two ways. The first one is the formula, which is equal to sum and selecting all the cells. So this one is the value, you can see the price is the total amount from the submission. The other way, which I will follow, is the simplest way for adding the data, adding the prices, that is the auto sum. So you can see the auto sum give all the values, all the cell values that are prices. Also adding a little bit the income taxes. So I'm adding imaginary income taxes, that is 3% on The 3% would be the income tax, and sales taxes, that is likely I'm adding here, should be 2%. So 2% as the sales tax and 3% as the income tax. Now payable amount, I want to calculate the payable amount. So equal to sign and the total amount, multiply by bracket start the percentage, that is the income tax percentage, that is 3%, and adding it, the other one is sales tax, so adding both of the taxes, and again adding the total amount, because it will give me the percentages value and numbers, and I will add to the total amount. So the total amount after the taxes, that is after the discount, the total amount after the income taxes, sales taxes, would be 95,087.04 That is the payable amount. And the last, I will write here the seller signature and the customer signature. After writing it, my invoice or bill is ready. Hope you got this video tutorial. We'll see you in next video, interesting Excel tutorials. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thanks.